Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Are you all tired of dealing with screen recorder watermarks? Today, we're going to solve this problem because we're going to look at a screen recorder that is completely free and easy to use. So let's get started with our video topic. First, we'll see how we can download it. First, we need to search on Google for FreeCam 8. After that, we'll click on the first link and an interface will appear. Now I'll enter my email here and click the download button, and the downloading will start. After the download is complete, we'll need to click on the download file to install it. After clicking on it, it will ask me to agree to the license agreement and click install, and it will install. After the installation, I'll click on Launch. After opening it, I'll click on New Recording, and an interface like this will show up. Within this, I can adjust the pointer to change the position of the recording area. By clicking the Cancel button, I can cancel the recording. Here, we have the Select Application button. After clicking on it, I can select any window and record it. I'll find an option to select an area where I can click, drag to select any area, by clicking on Full Screen, I can record the entire screen. From here, we can also select the video size. I can select 16:9 to record a YouTube video size. By clicking this red button, we can start the recording. And here, by clicking this button, we can turn the mic on or off. So let's record the screen. Press Escape key to stop the recording. After it pauses, an interface will appear with several options. Pressing Ctrl+N will start a new recording. Ctrl+E will let us edit the video. Ctrl+D will save the project. And Ctrl+U will upload the video directly to YouTube. These options are also available within this button. Next, we'll click on the Edit button to open the video in the video editor. Here, we can trim the start and end of the video by highlighting the section we want to keep using, drag to select any area, and then clicking the Trim button. If you recorded voice with the video and want to adjust or mute it, you can highlight the section click the silence button to mute it, or click the adjust volume button to adjust it as needed. You can also apply fade in and fade out effects to the highlighted area. Now, I'll save it from here. Even after closing it, I can edit it again. To do this, I'll open FreeCam, and here I'll find the project file. By clicking on it, I can edit this project again. By clicking on the settings, you can make changes within it. In the pause option, you can add a key of your choice to pause and resume the recording. In the stop recording option, you can select a key to stop the recording. In the discard recording option, you can select a key to cancel the recording. After this, you'll find the microphone option. By checking this, you can add a microphone and adjust the volume to high or low. This is the system sound option, which allows you to record the system's sound. Next, you have the advanced options. The first option is Open New Window Inside Recording Area. By checking this, you can open a window within the recording area. The next option is Show System Tray Icon. The third option is Show Mouse Cursor, which, when checked, will show the cursor in the recording. If turned off, the mouse cursor will not be shown. The fourth option is Highlight Mouse Cursor. By checking this, you can highlight the mouse cursor. The fifth option is Enable Mouse Click Sound. By checking this, The mouse click sound will be added to your recording. Congratulations! You have understood the FreeCam and AP8. So now let's export our recorded video. I will click on the main menu button and then click on the export button. Select the folder and click on the save button, and the exporting will start. So this is today's video. See you in the next video. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe to the channel.